Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Ulefone Armor X7 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the system. Let's tap on it. Then we have to tap on the backup. And as you can see, we'll be immediately transferred to this Google account section. If you've got your Google account added to the device, you will have to simply choose it from the list. If not, you have to add it right now. So let's tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. In this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so you can read it, just tap on it and then tap on I agree. And right here we've got the information about the backup to the Google one, so you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On. And there we've got another section connected with the backup. So here you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so you can, for example, remove some unnecessary files. Right here you've got the backup details, so you can always check what has already been backed up. And the advanced settings, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you can be sure that you will back up the data only whilst using the Wi-Fi, and you can avoid some charges if you will use the mobile data. So to finish everything, tap on backup now, and as you can see, your device is backing up your data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.